While stormboard is particularly beneficial because it allows educators to provide a place where multiple platforms come together and students can collaborate even at a distance remotely. There are some constraints to using this tool and some cautionary advice that I would like to give to educators about it. Um, One thing that you'll want to be careful about is making sure that students have a defined direction to go. So that's going to take some planning on your part. For example, providing clear directions for students to do, like in the example we looked at first, the pre-writing activities, and then collaborate together on the document and the whiteboard. One thing that we want to watch out for is asking students to get into stormboard, and it because of the way that it's set up can be very overwhelming because there are these multiple platforms, which is both beneficial and something to be careful about. It affords us great opportunities in terms of asking students to be creative collaborators and communicators with the potential of being able to publish their work, to download it, to export it, and even to share it with others by inviting more to join in on the stormboard. So I hope this has been a helpful demonstration for you and given you some ideas for how you might incorporate stormboard into your own teaching. Thank you.